Hello again and welcome back to aquaheat.org.uk. My name's Steve and here we are on another installation. This time it's in Streatham, southwest London, and on this job we've removed a wall hung boiler here, which is a non-condensing combi boiler. It's a Valent boiler, it's an old style one. Had a load of messy pipe work here, so we took it down here and the customer required the floor standing Worcester Bosch highflow boiler, which has got a combi boiler but also has got a storage pressurization vessel in here. It can hold up to 45 litres of hot water, and this, because of this, the design of this particular boiler, it can give you a flow rate, hot water flow rate of up to 22 litres I think it is a minute, provided you've got adequate mains cold pressure coming in. So it's a great boiler for stored water and if you want to keep more than one shower going at the same time. And on this boiler here, our control panel is here. We've got a power button there, central heat and temperature control here, and normally leave that set at about 5. Hot water, what works for you. We've got a programmer on the boiler which we fit, which is an optional extra. So you set the times for the hot water and also times for the central heating. You've got separate times on the weekends, a holiday function and some other sort of stuff there. It's a pressurized system, the pressure vessel's here. Pressure gauge is inside here, and that's about it really. This boiler through Worcester Bosch, as I'm an accredited installer for Worcester Bosch, so we're offering a 5-year warranty on the boiler that covers parts and labour, which is a really good deal. And if you'd like information about this, then please drop us an email, which I'll tell you in a minute. The system here, we've redesigned it and repiped it up here. On this particular job we've also fitted a scale reducer, which is at the back here on the incoming main supply, so it reduces the scale and protect the life of the boiler. We flushed the original heating system. We put a chemical inhibitor in the system to keep it clean, stop further sludge from building up and damaging the new boiler, the heat exchanger, which is great. We've also got a wireless stat which is fitted in the hallway, so there's no cables, it's just wirelessly controlled, and that's about it really. And if you want any information about this or any job you'd like us to look at for you, then please drop us an email to info@aquaheat.org.uk. Thanks very much.